How to day trade on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can day trade on Robinhood, or what are the rules for day trading on Robinhood. Now first, what is the day trade? Now when you buy and sell, or sell and buy the same stock or ETP within a single trading day, then or you open and close the same options contracts within a single trading day. Now remember, what you'll have to keep in mind is pattern day trading's restrictions don't apply to cash accounts. So if you want to do so without restriction, you can open up a cash account and you can do so on the cash account, because you can do as much as you want. Now however, on the Robinhood, what you'll have to understand is your account will be flagged for pattern day trading if you make 4 or more day trades within 5 trading days, and the number of day trades represents more than 6% of your total trades in the same 5 trading day period. This rule only applies to margin accounts and IRA limited margin accounts. If your account is flagged for PDT, you are required to have a portfolio value of at least $25,000 to continue day trading. Your portfolio value is the sum of your cash, stocks, and options, and doesn't include crypto positions. So, in order to do so, what you can do is you can go ahead and make a cash account in order to day trade. So, if you want to do it, you can simply open up. Suppose you can go ahead and buy stocks, and you can go ahead and sell stocks, but you'll have to understand the rules. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.